Hello, Christian here. Let's continue with CAMWorks TechDB series. This is part 6 and today I want to show you how to define feed and speeds in TechDB by the type of material. So in most shop floors you as a CNC engineer need to machine different parts from different types of materials. It is more easy, of course, to have already tools defined in toolcrib which already have feeds and speeds defined for example steel and aluminum. In my experience, many CAMWorks users define feeds and speeds manually according to their experience, but I want to show you a solution how to already have feeds and speeds defined in TechDB, and by choose the tool in toolcrib you already have the feeds and speeds, and of course in the end you save time. So let's take a look at a practical example. First of all, you need to open up technology database, and the first thing you need to do, just go to feed and speed, use feed and speed for library and mill, and here for feature and operation click for the feed and speeds defined by tool. Press apply, and right now go to mill tooling, let's say flatten mill, and I will choose here a 10 millimeter diameter tool. You have here in technology database in 2022 the possibility to filter these columns, but I will choose this one and modify the comment for this tool, put it like this. And here in cutting parameters you have here stock material group. It is right now one option default, but you need to press here add aluminum alloys, and let's define for this spindle speed XY feed rate. I will leave everything equal, and let's choose another material, low carbon alloy steel. A lower speed and a lower feed rate. And right now it's already here. Press save. Right now I will go to mill, tool crib. I have a tool crib 1 which is empty. Right now I will delete this entry, and let's create a new one which is tool crib feeds. Let's put it like this and hit OK, and I have right now an empty tool crib. Click add flatten mill, scroll to the comment page. This is the tool I change the feeds and speeds according to the material you see already here, and press select. Okay, so right now let's go back to CAMWorks. I have this part, of course choose the machine, and on the tool crib I have this new tool crib which I will select, and it's better to use the option tool crib and use tool crib only. With this option checked, CAMWorks will try to use for your features only this tool. Right now I will show you how easy it is to already have some feeds and speeds defined in the technology database. So I will insert, let's say, a pocket from here to here, and right click on the generate operation plan. When you click on this button generate operation plan, CAMWorks will always go to the technology database and use the selection for the tools that I already done with use tool creep tools only. So right here I have a rough mill and a contour mill. Let's look at the feeds and speeds. Go to feeds and speeds, define by tool, and you have here the values. But where is the material defined? The logical workflow is after you define the machine, the tool creep, and the post processor. When you define the raw material, you need to also define the type of material. This is a step which I didn't do it. So right click on Material Manager, and here you have the type of material. Let's choose an aluminum alloy. Stock parameters have changed, of course, yes. Go here, edit rough mill, and let's look at the feeds and speeds. This is the feeds and speeds I already entered. Also for rough mill, the same tool, also for contour mill. But if you have the same part with a different type of material, low carbon alloy, just go to the material, change from aluminum to low carbon alloy steel, generate again. Let's look at the feeds and speeds. The feeds and speeds are defined like the values are the same like I defined in the technology database. So this is a recommendation for me to define the feeds and speeds inside the technology database, let's say after you finish a project, and save it in the tool creep by the type of material, steel, plastics, aluminum, and so on. And in this with this workflow you will save a lot of time. And this was the part 6. And for this series, if you want to have more information regarding CAMWorks TechDB, just leave me a comment or contact me via social media platforms. And until the next video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel or follow my LinkedIn profile. All the links are in the description of this video. So stay safe and goodbye.